here we go again, mga bossing. This is Alvin ng Boy Bokan's Toy Box, and welcome to my channel. But this time, this is a bit interesting toys because it's a modeling kit toys, but it's the way, if you find the functionality, the transformation, or how you can play so much on these toys, it's really something that you really want to have it in your collections. And this is a part of one of the famous anime in Japan, which is they say this is the 6th entry for the Time Bokan anime series, which is the Ippatsuman. So here we go. This is the cool box. As you can see, the art and almost everything here is really cool. It's really show how you can play a lot of things on these toys. And the short trivia for this is it released in 1982 to I think 86. So with the 58 TV series. So yeah, so I find it really cool. So excited na ako, mga bossing. Unbox na natin to. Let's go.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Ito, mga bossing, meron tayong medyo kakaibang toys dito. So yeah, so this is a SHOKUGAN Modeling Project. So this is very different sa mga past or previous unboxing ko or toy review. So this one, as you can see, says it's a modeling project, and I have no idea. So this is my first time to get this kind of toy lines ng Bandai, but it looks really good and looks good. So actually, I just share you something. Dapat dalawa yung bibiling ko nito eh. So yung isang version niya is simple lang, yung robot lang, wala tong parang wheels na to. So I'm not too familiar with the characters, but I like the toys. So let's see, mga bossing, buksan na natin to. Okay, so buksan natin binuksan. At here we go. So kanyang mga laman. So just stay tuned. Bubuin natin to, mga bossing. So we got how many? 1, 2, and the manual. Oh, look at that. They also have candy, but this is not the candy toy lines na katulad nung mga previous unboxing natin ng may Bio Robo, but interesting. So I think in some Japanese toys they like to put this candy. So we got another runners here, set of runners. So we got 3 and some special parts of those runners or the robots. So there you go, mga bossing. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 sets of runners. Tara, buuin na natin to. Let's go. Okay, so there you go mga bossing. Here's the Tokyu Zaurus set. So finally, after so many hours of building these toys, eto na siya. Ayan mga bossing. So kung makikita nyo si the king of reversal. So this guy, just remember this part of the time Bokan series. So that makes it really a cool robot. So yeah, this is the king of reversal. So and it's really cool. So if you guys notice, medyo nakahiwalay yung kanyang kanong paa. So the reason is this guy or this robot, ayun, may crack siya doon. Medyo to let you know, siguro warning na rin mga bossing, the materials of this toys is medyo ano talaga siya. Hindi siya yung malutong, hindi siya yung parang hard like a PVC. This is more like a brittle kind of PVC. So kaya parang yung nadudurog, if you know guys what I mean. So kaya ingat-ingat din sa pagko-connect ng mga ano niya. Kailangan ng patience and gentle. So don't force it too much. Yeah, kasi na-force ko to ng ano eh. So hopefully pwede kong i-glue. May crack siya dito eh. At medyo maging tight siya at makatayo siya ng mag-isa. But overall, mga bossing, yung kanyang mga articulation is really cool. So yan, so really poseable to. You can do a lot of pose. Tapos torso niya parang ano, in 3 parts. So yeah, as you can see, medyo ano, at yung kanyang kamay, kanyang arm, and head. It's like a wing. So parang pag ginawa mo na siyang ano, assemble mo siya kay Tokyu Zaurus. This is the part. So there you go. Bossing. So there you go. Ayan siya. So as always, sa last part I will show you guys yung ano niya, mga pose niya. And then share ko na rin sa inyo ang kanyang Justice Sword. Ayan. So this is the Justice Sword with the reverse shield included na parang may pagka-Viking or something sa kanyang horde. Ayan. Nice. Really nice one. At yung kanyang ano, set ng kanyang mga kamay. So this is the set of the piece. So yeah, isang set ng open hands. Ito yung nag-hold ng kanyang mga weapons. And then yung close piece doon. Yeah, ito yung claw. Pagka naka-Tokyu Zaurus siya. You can replace that. And then some magic stick here. So that's included. Oops. Yeah. So dito yung hawakan niya. So you can really tight, but you can take it out. Put it together. So yan. Tatanggal din to. Ayun. So if you guys want that, you can do that. At yeah, so ito nga, yung kanyang decals or stickers. So mostly doon lang naman siya sa itlog eh. Kaya hindi ko na rin inassemble mabuti. So ito yung pinaka Tokyu Zaurus. Ayan. So pwede siya ipasok doon. Tapos i-assemble natin. Dahil kaya lang medyo ano na rin kasi mahirap siyang i-disassemble. Baka hindi mo na maano eh. Dahil nga yung plastic niya eh. So you need to decide kung ano yung forma niya. So now I wish I also bought the, kasi there's two series nito eh. Pwede yung hindi siya kasama hindi siya Tokyu Zaurus set. Si ano lang, yung si King of Reversal lang na robot. You can also, yun din, available lang yun. Pero binili ko na yung set para lahat na nga. Pero maganda ka sana. Kasi pag pinag-combine mo sila together, it really looks good. Yung pagiging Tokyu Zaurus complete niya. I will recommend you guys buy both of them. And then, ito yung pinaka-trailer. Yeah. So, yan. You can also open that. Ayan. So, it's really cool too. Yan. Saka ito yung pinaka-itlog niya. So, now I'm looking to watch this this anime. Looking good. And looks as always like yung funny side ng mga kanilang robot, lalo na yung yung Yatterman, talagang maganda yung na yun. Mas gusto yung pinaka parang nag-hit nila eh. So yan, so there you go mga bossing. If you like this video, please do me a favor, don't forget to like this and share this video. If you want more, please subscribe now and hit that notification bell icons para lagi kayo notify sa ating mga bagong video at mga toys na binubuksan. So, there you go mga bossing. Remember, this is not for me. This is for the toys. Hit that like buttons now. And share nyo na rin sa mga friends nyo. So, thank you mga bossing. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode. Bye for now. Peace out.